win-win. Team Lindon versus Team Jumps. Okay, game ha? Nakuha ni Rod. Rod, nice rebound. Nice steal. Okay, good. Grabe naman yun. 2 points for Lindon. Grabe, nakakarami na po si Lindon. Okay. Pasa pala yun. Akala ko tumira ng 3. Binasa kay Coaching. No good. Nakuha ni number 1, James. Nice pass to Lindon. Lindon. Binasa kay Coaching. Steal, boy, Coaching. Libre. Oh! Nice steal by Alejos. Binasa. Coaching. 2 points. Score all 2. Okay, no good. Nakakuha ni Coaching. Alejos, nice drop. Pumunta pa kay Jumps. Parang may tulay. 3 points by Jumps. Okay, line ball violation. Line ball muna. Line ball violation. Line ball violation, hindi po lumabas. Kailangan po natin lumabas. Labas muna, dead ball muna. Dead ball muna. Okay, game. Five minutes, 40 seconds. Christopher. 2 points by Christopher. Score 7-2. Nagmamadali. 2 points by Alejo. Score 9-2. Okay, pinasa, nice drop, pero na-steal, sayang. Na-anticipate si Alejos, fade away shot, no good. Rebound by James nagmamadali, teardrop, no good. Number 25, Suwico, nakuha ni Suwico. Iba talaga pag may height. Score 9-4. Christopher, 7 seconds to shoot. Nice pass. Coaching. No good. Nakuha ni James. Nice block. Score 9-4. Nablock si Cortez. Okay, wait. Dito daw. Nung nablock mo nga, idol, bumalik sa'yo yung bola eh. Tama naman yung tawag nila. O, labas muna, labas. Score 11-4. Rodrigo, good rebound again. Nag-try. No good. Yun, 2 points na dali mo. 11-6. 5 lang po ang hinahabol. 5 lang ang hinahabol. Okay, Alejos. Nice. Sayang. Okay, number 15. Nicely, ang ganda naman ng ginawa ni Alejos. Pero lang ka ni Suwico, hindi pwede yun. 4 seconds to shoot. Bumawi, papasok ba? No good. Rebound. Tumira. Oh! Pero nando si Christopher. Nice block again by Suminko. Oh. Foul down, foul. 3 minutes, 2 seconds, 14 to shoot. Wait lang. Idol, labas muna. Labas muna. Labas muna. Depensa muna sila kasi may discussion dun eh. Labas muna. Labas muna. Palakas po ng tawag pag may foul. Okay. Alejo, 8 seconds to shoot. Okay, no good. Nakuha ni James. James nagmamadali para may lakad. James, 2 points. Nakaka-4 na puntos na si Cortez, ha? Okay, still, nakuha ni CM. Pinasa kay James. James, no good. Nakuha ni Lindon. Lindon, no good. Okay, Cortez, no good. Nahiyang tumira. Time remaining 2 minutes, 15 seconds. Nice pass! Sayang. Sayang. Ang ganda ng pasa ni Alejo ngayon. Gumaganda ang depensa ni Alejo. Wow! Cortez, 3 points by Cortez. Score all 11. Okay. Rebound, tumatakbo. Nakuha din doon. Two points by Pochi. Labas muna. Line ball violation. Labas muna po. Line ball violation. Line ball violation. Sir, ilalabas niyo po yung bola. Hindi po tayo just 21. Dito po ang bola. 13-11. Time remaining 1 minute 26 seconds. Nice drop. Okay, 2 points. 15-11. Huwag po tayo magmamadali sa paglabas. Wala po yung oras. Score 15-11. Okay. Nice pass din doon. Tumira. Teardrop. No good. Nakuha ni James. Last 53 seconds first half. Okay. Nakuha. Nice D by Lindon. Nice screen by James. 10 seconds to shoot. Alejos. Pinasa kay James. 2 points. 34 seconds. 17-11. Okay, nakuha. Sir CM. 2 points by Sir CM. Score 17-13. Apat na po ang inahabol. Last 18 seconds first half. Wow, veteran shot. Score 12 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Suwingo, pinasa kay James. Cortez, no good. 2 seconds. Cortez. And change court. Sino una nakakuha ng bola kanina? Okay. Change court dito po bola ha. Score 13-19. Okay, wait lang, may umiinom. Patrick, kunin ko na. Supplier. Payment. Okay, wait lang. May nasa labas pa. Time remaining. Last quarter. Okay, game na daw. Game. Depensa ko kayo number 12. Uy, nice block by Suwiko sa Indo. Ang bilis naman ang pangyayari yun. Blank again, pero lang. Uy, third block. Grabe ang depensa. Back to back to back. Block. Lindon. Nagdadalawang isip. Tumira. Malakas. Nakuha ni Suwiko. Suwiko. To Lindon. No good. Nice. 2 points by Aleos. Grabe. Follow through. Na finger roll. Okay. Pinasa kay number 1. Tumira ng best. No good. Rebound by Jab. Jab. Magmamadali ito. Mapipigilan ba? Napigilan nga. Pero may moving ka kasi, idol. Kaya ako tinawagan. Steady lang po tayo kung may-receive ng gano'n. Okay. Na-libre. Okay, fall down. Time remaining 6 minutes, 2 seconds. Oy, block again. Nakakarami ka na. Suwing mo. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds. 5 seconds. Long to lang po yun. Long to. Long to lang. Pumorward yung isang binte. CM, nice pass. Suwing ko, 2 points. Ang sarap manood. Magaganda ang pasahan. Score 15-23. Okay. Okay, 2 points. 15-25. Okay, nagmamadali. Pinaliwan, nukot, nakuha ni Aleos. Rebound by Suwiko. Grabe, tangkad, tinaasan lang. To Lindon. Okay, Sir CM, 2 points. Score 17-25. Okay, nice D. Okay. Hoy, nablangka po ng gilid ng ring. 4 minutes 25, mahaba pa. Okay, nakuha ni Jack. Pinasa kay Christopher, 3 points. 17-28. Okay, nagmamadali. Tumira. No good. Nakuha. Nagmamadali again. Coaching. 2 points by Coaching. 17-30. Oy! 2 points by Coaching. 17-32. Okay, no good. Okay, nagdadalaw jabs. 14 seconds to shoot. Nice, ang ganda nun. Wow! Yung mga ganun dapat yung hinahakay. Hindi yung libre. Okay, nakuha. Parang may poste sa gitna. 19-34. Okay, 2 points. 19-36. Nice pass. 2 points. 21-36. Okay. Nice drop. Tumira. Okay. Hindi pa naman po. Okay. 2 minutes 18 seconds. Sobrang tulit mo. Sobrang tulit. Okay. Pinasa, tumira. Munti ka na. Nakuha ulit. Suwiko. 2 points. Suwabing-suwabe. Walang kapilit-pilit. Score 23-36. 1 minute 50 seconds, 7 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds. Nadale 23-38. Inaalagaan na. Pinasa. Tumira. Suwikon. 2 points. 25-38. Okay. Nice pass. Christopher, no good. Christopher. Okay, 2 points by Coaching. 25-40. Tumira, no good. Okay. Nagmamadali. Nag-iisip, pumuwersa, pumikot, munti ka na. Okay, wait lang. Oh, good daw. Last 40 seconds. James, tumira, Cortez, no good. Again, 3 points. Boy, Corte. Ay, Suwiko pala, sorry. Last 22 seconds. Kinakabahan na po sila. Magaling kasing dumipensa. Okay, no good. Last 10 seconds. Suwiko, pinasa kay Lindon. 7 seconds, Lindon. 3 points. 3.7 seconds. Nahuli lang yung scoring nila. 2 seconds. And Coaching.